Write about the photo in 1 minute.
You have some time to look at the picture.
Speak about the picture in 90 seconds.
This picture depicts the interior of a modern subway train during the daytime, capturing a calm and everyday moment of public transportation. Sunlight streams generously through the large windows, creating bright patches that fall across the seats, the floor, and even on some passengers. This natural light gives the entire scene a warm and almost peaceful atmosphere, which contrasts nicely with the fast movement of the train outside. Inside the carriage, passengers are engaged in different activities, yet all seem comfortable and relaxed. Some individuals are seated, quietly reading books or newspapers, completely absorbed in their own thoughts. Others are standing, holding onto the metal poles or overhead handles while scrolling through their phones, checking messages, or simply passing the time. A few passengers are gazing out the window, watching the cityscape blur past as the train continues along its route. Their expressions suggest a moment of reflection or a simple break from their busy routines. The interior itself looks clean, organized, and well-maintained. The seats are arranged neatly along the sides, creating an open walkway in the middle. The metal poles, soft lighting, and neutral colors make the space feel practical and inviting. Although there are many people in the carriage, the overall mood is quiet and orderly, showing how individuals can share the same space yet remain immersed in their personal worlds. Overall, the picture captures the essence of daily urban travel, ordinary, familiar, but also peaceful in its own subtle way.